This is an overview of Albiruni. It's free, open-source Windows desktop software for viewing large collections of GPS data. It can read GPX files or geotagged JPEG photos. It's released by Abenaki Light Industry. Once you find areas of interest, according to geography, date, time, or other facts about the input files, then you can draw the data in detail on the map or go further from there. Albiruni is available on GitHub under Abenaki Albiruni Releases. Get the setup executable and install that. Go to the Start menu and find the Albiruni group, open the tutorial, and also start the program. The tutorial is a document in a lot more detail, and it's updated more frequently than the videos. Albiruni deals with GPX files. These are the industry standard collections of GPS points, tracks, and routes. For example, here is a flight from Bremen to Malta, and that's how the raw data looks in Notepad. We can also deal with geotagged JPEG photos. They are often created on a smartphone. You can use the properties and details and verify that it has GPS latitude and longitude. Files that don't have any GPS data are disregarded in Albiruni. Now here we are in Albiruni for the first time. No map is displayed because we need to choose from the map servers. Let's go through some of the public servers. This is Carto. OpenStreetMap, Thunder Forest, Stammen, Mapbox is available if your organization has its own access token. Here.com is also available. Over in the United States, there's the Geological Survey. Today we'll select this one. Now let's open some data. File, Open. Choose a folder that contains data or folders within it. Under Program Files Albiruni, select the sample folder. Hit Select Folder. OK. Let's fit the map to that data. The colored area, or cells, are the neighborhood containing the data. We can drag on the map. We can zoom in and out. Precision is the size of the cells. If you like the size of the cells, you can sync precision and zoom. As we zoom in, precision changes accordingly. When you hover on a cell, details about the data in that file in that cell are shown here. Here is a cell over Malta. There were 24 track points within that cell gathered between 7:23 and 7:28 Coordinated Universal Time on that date. We can draw all of the data from that file on the map. We could also overlay another track from a different file. If you want to open a file externally, double-click the file name. This video will not show proprietary map software, but this GPX file will open into Notepad. You can configure your own software to open GPX files. Here's a photo. I can double-click it to open. If a cell contains just one file, I can also double-click that cell. We'll zoom in a little more on this location. I've reached the limit of sync, so I'll disable sync and zoom in further with the plus key. And that's the harbor where that photo was taken. Now here's another collection of data. The GPS Babel source code comes with a set of reference files. GPS Babel is a good utility for converting from other old or proprietary GPS file formats into GPX. One of the options for the map display is sole points. This means that for every file that has only one point, show the point on the map. This could be useful for a collection of photos. This shows a flight across the United States. And this is a route in the Midwest. And there is a track around Central Park. The minimum cell size is determined by an option. Under Data, it's Best Precision, and the current value is about 1 to 2 miles. And that's what we see in Manhattan here. We could make it smaller, but it would take more memory and time. Albiruni will be improved in the future with more features and speed-ups. Use Help Upgrade to get the best version, and use Troubleshoot to report issues, and that will help in the development. That brings this overview to a close. Albiruni is released for free to solve problems for the public good, science, research, nonprofits, government, justice, or anything that nice people want to do with it. Thank you.